friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we will talk about the gaming performance of the Black Shark 2 gaming smartphone. So Black Shark 2 was announced in India back in May 2019, and this device comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 octa-core processor, and it also comes with either 6, 8 or even 12GB RAM variant is included. So we have the 6GB RAM variant, and this also comes with liquid cooling technology, that's 3.0 version, and it also has a really good gaming optimized options. Apart from that, this also comes with the gaming AI option, so we'll talk about that in this video. So this device also comes with the Black Shark logo, which has a light here. So on the sides also we have RGB lighting, so we'll just show you that lighting as well. So if we go to settings and the light settings, you can see that you can see this lighting. You can customize the lighting based on the color you want, and while gaming you get the best experience here. So that's the lighting. So that's how it works. Now let's go to PUBG Mobile, and we'll show you what all features it offers. So opening up PUBG Mobile. So now we have open PUBG Mobile, and here there are lots of options. If you just swipe from the top, you can see this gaming studio option. So you can see there are lots of options. You can connect a gaming pad, then master touch, settings, clean RAM, performance mode, dashboard. So all these things are included here, and if you click on the top portion, you get this gaming studio. We have this performance mode. We have you can actually go from there is an auto mode here, so automatically adjust the performance based on the application. So just uncheck this, and you can see that multiple level is there. You can see level 1, level 2, 3, 4, and this is the ludicrous mode, which gets you the best performance. It pushes the limit of the SoC performance to the maximum. So this is the mode. You can see that this gets you the best performance. Then if you go to the display settings, you have the default option. HDR mode is there. Touch, you can fine-tune touch. Then there is audio performance. Here also you can customize them. So network, you can background traffic limit, then LAN and data switching, so these things can be customized. Then multi experience also is there. So you can if you go to the mode here, so just go here, so you can turn on the lighting, and all these things can be customized. So performance, you can actually go with the auto mode, or you can go with the modes I selected earlier. So you can see here you can go from level 1 to level 5. So based on that you can select. So this is the option here. Now you can also see the graphic quality here, so we'll just show you the graphic quality. HDR and Extreme is the one we are going to play on this device. So that's the one we have here. Ultra HD is not supported, so smooth and extreme is also there. HDR and extreme is what we are going to play right now on this device. So let's get started with gaming. So before that, let's see the temperature on this device. So back of the box, we have 36 degrees on the back panel right now. So then that back panel is 36.3, and on the display 36.9 or 37.5, slightly on the higher side. So we have been using these options right now, so the temperature has increased a bit here, but then it's still 37 degrees. Now let's go to the actual gaming and see how liquid cooling works, and how the device is able to control the gaming. So let's get started with the gaming. So now we have played in the highest performing mode. So you can see the temperature now is 42. That's the maximum. You can see that 42 degrees. This is the highest performing mode. So now you can see that it's very smooth performance, no lags whatsoever, and the display quality, display is now at 44 degrees, so almost 45. You can see closer to 45 degrees the display panel, while the back panel is around 42.5. Now let's go to slightly lesser the module. So we'll just go to the auto performance. Now we'll start the gaming again. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, sure.
The blue team is about to win.
Expired.
Half of the match is over, and the blue team is in the lead.
Blue team victory.
So now we are done with gaming. So let's see the temperature. So 43 degrees. So that's the maximum on the back panel. 43.3. In fact 43.4, that's the temperature. And on the display it's over 45 degrees. It does get actually warm. You can see that the display definitely gets warm after intensive gaming. So almost like 45 degrees. That's pretty high temperature actually, and the gaming quality was really good actually. We did not see any sort of issues, but then the temperature increase is definitely on the highest, and the battery drain is also slightly on the higher side. We could see that almost like 15-16% drop in around 45 minutes of gaming, 40 to 45 minutes of intensive gaming. Now another thing about the Black Shark 2 gaming smartphone is that there is a rookie kit available. This is a gamepad and a holder available, and you can actually customize these options while gaming. There is also USB Type-C charger, and if you just power this on, you can see you can connect this via Bluetooth and swap the keys to your gaming, whichever gaming experience you want. Now this rookie kit is available 299 for the gamepad and 499 for this frame actually. Now you can just slide this to this one, and you can just start gaming. So we'll just show you that as well. So there you go, that's how you slide it. And when you're using the smartphone, you can just use it with the case which is included with the phone. We'll just connect it and show you. So this is the case, you can just connect it. So you need to have this case attached to the phone, and now you can see that this is how you can game with popular games. We have just tried with PUBG Mobile. We'll just show you. So this is how you can play PUBG Mobile on this device. So that's the rookie kit. Now if you have already purchased Black Shark 2, you will get a notification from Flipkart or an email from Flipkart saying that you can buy this gamepad and the holder for just rupees 2. And this offer, this is a limited period offer. It will be extended beyond October as well. Now if you're a new buyer, you can also get this gamepad and the holder for just rupees 2. This is actually compatible with phones like Redmi K20 Pro, which is from Xiaomi. So this is supported on that as well. So this is the rookie kit, which is priced 299, and the holder, which is priced 499. So you can actually try this out on your Black Shark 2 gaming smartphone. So that is a gaming test and hitting on the Black Shark 2 gaming smartphone. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.